BNB, we start with 1 hour chart. And if you refer to our analysis, we mentioned we're looking at this one as a flat and relative to this. That's why I mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. This is what we get. And for those traders, they get a trade for buy within this one. Right now, they should at least take out move their stop loss to break even. The best thing is if they take out the trade in the small profit. Anyway, we move to daily chart, and based on daily chart, as we can see, 510 become as a support for this correction. And right now we want to see whether we can, at this point, we're looking at this correction. We want to see whether we can look for the reversal or not, because we're looking at this one as a flat. We mentioned we are more interested to look for buy as a reversal, because as a long term, we're looking for 890 as a first target, following by 1130 as a second target. That means we're looking for buy, but based on daily chart, we don't see any trace at all. All right. And we mentioned we prefer to see the reversal with the breakout of this one. And as we can see at this point, 510 become a support. And if I move to forward chart, the only thing is we have to see the breakout of this correction. And mostly if we get one more drop as a sharp, following by divergence as a 1, 2, 3, then any reversal from there, it can give us better confirmation for the reversal to look for buy, right? And as a based on lower time frame, either 4 hour or 1 hour chart, we're looking for 609 following by 644 as a short-term targets. Anyway, even if you refer to our analysis, we discussed about this one as the first correction for one move up. This is what we get. Now we want to see what's the next, because technically, if the price couldn't break the previous top, then we can put this one as a flat in relative to this for the next drop. All right, we need to be really careful about that. That means if he wants to look for trade at this point, if he wants to look for buy, the breakout of the previous top is really important for us. By the way, at this point, we don't have any opportunity for either for buy or sell. We have to wait, and buying, and the only times you can look for buy if this one turned to a deeper correction. Right? For me, I'm not really interested to look for either buy or sell. Mostly if I see the price continue and then I see the price couldn't break the previous top, any drop following by flag based on 1 hour chart, I will look for sell. But the best things is we have to see the breakout of this correction, either at the top or we see one more drop. And this is the best things if we see the drop, then from there we look for the reversal. All right, we have to see the breakout of this correction before we look for next trade as a buy. But at this point, I don't have any opportunity either for buy or sell. Any trade within the correction will be a short term, and buying from this small correction, I won't suggest it. All right, that's when we have to wait. At this point, we don't see any opportunity either for buy or sell. Any trade is a short term, which at this point we are not really interested. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.